guys, just a quick video. I'm just going to flip through these custom orders, really more for a record for myself, but also to show what I've been working on. So the first one is one of the bag journals. It's similar to one that I already made, so I only show it very quickly. I won't show the inside of the journal, but it's the same bag with the journal inside and tags. Now I bought more bags because I sold them and they had a different supply. So the lip here is a little bit longer, but it still works. I made it from this bag, and I just here stitched it down. And feeling these bags, they feel much stronger than the other ones. Even though the other ones are very strong, these are even stronger still. So I'll just show the tags in this one. There's a few different tags, and then the journal is, I'll just quickly show the journal, but I won't open it. So similar bag to before, and I'm in the other room because it's getting dark. There's more light here. So lovely Stamperia, large journaling card. I'll mess with this after, I think. And then this is a tag that I made the other day with the cats that my client asked for. Another tag here with old book page, glassine bag with a lovely tag inside with some Stamperia paper, and then two larger tags, one with this gorgeous deer, can't get enough of that, and then this lovely Santa. So, and then the journal inside, I'll put this all away after, is the one with the Christmas tree. And I made it very similar to the one in the other, not 100% exactly the same, but nearly the same as the one I did in my other video. So I won't go through that. Now this is another journal that's been sold. I did it in a book dating to 1949, and my client asked for this image on it. I did my usual collaging and little birdie on the back, and then I'll just do a quick flip through. So I have a glassine bag here that I stamped and collaged. One of my tags that I made. It's one of my favorites. I love that tag. A lovely Santa image. Let me just see if I can fix this a little bit. There we go. Hope it's not too dark. A big doily, some of the original pages in the book. There's a lot of pages in here. And I love the handwriting there. I had to put that in, and it's got some kind of embossed sort of stamp there as well. This is one of my printables. Just some tags. So just really my usual mix of things that I like to put in the journals. So, and this is a beautiful artwork by Parmigianino it's just lovely. He was one of my favorites. That's one of my printables. Some old book pages. Then just a little Stamperia card in there you can write on, and that's the back. And I made a tuck spot. This gorgeous bunny image. Yeah, I seem to put a lot of pockets in these, so then I had to go and fill them all. So I don't have as many things pinned because I put them all in the pockets. Gorgeous paper. My old Christmas book. It just has the most beautiful images in it. And then a little journaling spot. Love that image there. And then I made some big pockets here too. That's one of my journaling cards that I made. See, there's another tuck spot. I've never done so many. There's a nice big journaling card. Gorgeous image, tuck spot. This is double, so you can journal on it, and it's a tuck spot. And so there's 3 signatures. We're nearly at the end. And then just another double journaling card, and that's the end of the first. This is the beginning of the second signature. That's one of my printables. A journaling card made with my printable. Another tuck spot. This gorgeous paper, did I get that from Curio? I may have, I can't remember. Another tuck spot with a big journaling card. Bit of fabric fluff there. Oh, Sarah's printable there, I love that. I thought those colours were fine for Christmas. And then another tuck spot with some tags. carta paglia, wrapping paper, and then just some of these to play around with in a tuck spot. Lovely image, and then a tag that I made. So cute. And then that's the geography book. Date and walnut mincemeat. Make mince pies. That's just a little journaling spot. This is another pocket with a tag that I made from my digital kit. Some original book pages, another tuck spot with a journaling card by Stamperia. And then a Stamperia pocket. That's an old paper. And then another journaling, it opens out. I think that's by Artie Mays, I can't remember. And just a little pocket I made. And then, oh, this is one of those things I made the other day. I stitched it in around the 3 sides. So it flips out and there's a pocket here. And then this is one of my, I'll call them Jessica tags. So that's done with that collage paper that I made after watching Jessica wrap, the very clever lady that she is. This is from my other Christmas book, some gorgeous Christmas paper, tag in a pocket. So lots of places, things to play around with in this one. And then another tuck spot with a tag. Cute image. Lovely Santa. Another tag that I made. I think you saw that the other day. Actually, put it that way. And then some gorgeous paper. One of my doilies in my kit. That's the center of the signature. And then another tuck spot. That gorgeous Christmas tree. Or actually, it's not a Christmas tree. It's a gorgeous pine tree. Lovely Bambi. And then just a big journaling card that I made. That's an image from Pixabay. That's from Graphic Fairy, I think. Little journaling card and a pocket. And then another journaling area. So lots of pieces. I mean, you could even tear that up and do some collaging with it. Doily. And then another tuck spot. And then we're at the back. And this is a pocket that glassine bag that I stamped, and I put this lovely Stamperia image on. And then this is a big tag that I made. I think you saw it the other day, and I didn't want to cover up the Santa. But you could put a flip out there if you wanted to. So that's that journal. That one is sold. And then this is Mary's journal, and it is exploding because there's a lot of extra ephemera in there and tags that I made as per Mary's request. So this is the cover. I hope you like it, Mary. And that's the back. So I did find 2 more Reader's Digests, very old ones in Italian that I liked, with covers that I liked from the antique market. And it's just the most gorgeous grey blue. I'm going quickly because I think Lulu's going to come home, and then my mother-in-law come in and I'll have to stop. So this is just a carta paglia envelope, gusseted envelope that I stamped, and then I put my printable on there, and this is one of my tags that I made the other day. I didn't cover up there, but you could put something there, like you could put a label there or something, and write the year or whatever you like. So this is I think, Mary, is this the tag that you wanted with the Jessica paper? So this is a Jessica tag, and we have a nice tuck spot there. And then that's the front cover of the book. I think it was like a 1959 book. And of course I stitched the pages together because this is a pocket I made the other day because they're glued normally. So I had to stitch them into the book, like onto other bits of paper, so I could make a double page. This is the other tag. Is this the correct one? I hope so. With the Jessica paper and like a journaling tag there. Just a Christmas image. Just put a little fussy cut flower there. Mary, I'm giving you my favorite tag. This one that I made the other day. I hope you like it. And just I tried to keep the images I liked the best from the book. And I love these bird images I found. And then just another tuck spot here. One of my printables. little journaling card, that beautiful Christmas book that I like to include in each one, just a little journaling, double journaling spot, another tuck spot here, just a Christmas image. So this is a painting of baby Jesus, really like that. And then this is one of my journaling cards that I made. So I put extra in for you, Mary. Just let me know if it's okay. And then there's Santa in this big tuck spot. Let me see here. That's the front, I think, of the Reader's Digest Milano. And 1962 was this one. One of my journaling cards. I'm in a panic. I think my mother-in-law is going to arrive. This is a double taggy sort of thing that I made a while ago. I think it was in another video. And this is a tag that I made. I love that image. And collaging on the back. And I love, even though this is soft and pretty, I love all these clashing colours. I think it makes it really fun and pretty. A little tuck spot there with a journaling card. Another tag and a really cute little pocket. Another pocket here. I put so many pockets in these. This is another journaling card that I made. Some handwriting, very messy. It's old, from an antique notebook from school, I think. And brandy snaps. And here's a tuck spot with a tag that I made. And one of my doilies in a tuck spot. Beautiful painting by I want to say or Raffaello or Perugino. Can't remember. Urbino. It's probably Perugino. Could be Perugino. And then tuck spot with some tags and journaling card. One of my printables. Another tag that I made there with my beautiful old other side of the postcards. Then let's see what else. I can't remember now. Oh, I liked that on the messy pages. Lovely image. One of my favorite papers. I think that's from Digital Curio. This gorgeous bird is from Digital Curio, and I fussy cut it out. Beautiful Virgin Mary. And I love that page there in the Reader's Digest. And then this is a flip out with the Jessica paper. So it's a flip out that also you can't see it. So you can do whatever you like on there. I thought that was pretty. Couldn't wait to do that. Just a tag that I made. The Christmas image. And then here we have one of the pockets that I made the other day. One of my favorites. And then I put this tag in there, and then just a big Nostalgia Graphic Land Christmas with a hare. And then this is another glassine bag that I stamped, and then a tag that I made. And another pocket here. I mean, we're full of pockets here. And then this is one of the beautiful letter to the parents in French. Some wrapping paper, another pocket I made. Sarah's gorgeous landscape printable. That is my favorite. That's going to go everywhere. I have to print that up again and use it again. Lovely Santa. And then that was that bit that I chopped off the Jessica paper that I said had to be a flip out. So I made it into a flip out. I just had to put it in yours, Mary. And then I have another Christmas image photo, just a tuck spot there. Love that. That's one of my favorite Christmas. I'm going to put that in my own journal. I have to make one for myself now because Sarah's coming and I'll need to document everything. I need to be organized because it's going to be we'll be so busy. Just another Stamperia journaling card. One of my favorite Santa images. Little birdie. Beautiful old Mottledy paper. Those beautiful birds. And then another tag that I made. I think that was in a previous tag. And I just did this little collagey bit on this pocket. That's quite different for me. And then one of my doilies. And then this big pocket. And I've given you this, Mary, with this gorgeous old writing. And it has a little notebook inside. So I hope you like that. And I've just slipped that in there. So it's really bulging. You'll have to take everything out. You can tear out pages if you find that it's becoming too bulky. But I just tie something around it that'll hold it all together. Lovely Christmas painting. And then what have I got in here? Just these you could play around with in a pocket. Christmas wrapping paper. And then a doily. It's just gorgeous, that Stamperia paper. And then here, just a tag that I made, one of my other favorite tags, and a little tuck spot. And then here we have one of those thingy-majiggies. Now these were inspired by Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah, because she's amazing, but mine are more simple because she's too clever for me. I can't do anything too complex. So this is one of my printables, and I just made a little journaling card. And then this opens like so, and then you have the writing. You can write inside, and you can even write there or do whatever you like. So I really love those. So it's a pocket behind. So that is that journal. I think I've done everything for this video, and now I'm going to do another video before it's too dark of the one journal, Christmas journal, that I will have available in my shop. So thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you like your journals, ladies, and I will be back soon. Bye.